Hello everyone, Aiden from BNTouch here with another feature walkthrough for you guys today. This walkthrough is going to be on our report feature. Specifically, we have just added a new scheduled report feature. So any report you can pull in BNTouch, you'll now have the ability to set it up to email that report to you on a recurring basis, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, whatever it is. So any report you can pull on BNTouch can now be saved and set to be sent to you or anyone else in your office's email on a recurring period. So this is all going to happen from the record search, this little magnifying glass up here in the Mortgages tab within your BNTouch CRM. This will bring you to our general search page. And if you haven't used this feature before, there's a lot of powerful search options that we have for you guys. There's the basic name search, the extended search, where you can search for different birthdays for people. So if you wanted to know whose birthdays were this month and have it send you a report of what birthdays were coming up that month, you could put that information here, what kind of star rating they have. So, leads that are you've rated high quality or low quality, you can have those come to your email. And then today we're going to do just a simple, new leads in the last 30 days, right? So down here at the bottom, we can have a added between. So if we wanted to have, leads from the certain month, or what I like to do here is you can do leads from the last 30 days. So just by setting that feature, we can now search these records, and it'll show us down here at the bottom the leads that have come in over the last 30 days, okay? And if you see here, there's this Save As option. If we click that, we can download this information as a report, boom, right off the bat. Or you see the next feature down, we can schedule an email report. Again, this will have it sent to us on a recurring basis. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Okay, we're going to name this report, and this is what it's going to show up as in your email. Leads in the last 30 days. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear in our email. This will be the subject of the email. We are then going to choose who we want it to send to. This will be, all of the people in your office or that have an account within your BNTouch profile. Okay, we are going to then set the time that we want this to come at and when we want it to arrive. Okay, so you can have daily, weekly, monthly, or every certain amount of days. So if you wanted it bi-monthly, you could do every 15 days. Again, whatever works for how often you need this report. We're going to do here where we were going to want this report on the first of the month, so we can see the leads that came in from the past month. So we can get an overview of how many leads came in, and we can compare month to month if we've got more this month than last month, and so on and so forth. Okay. So we're going to want this to send monthly on the first of the month. But as you see here, you can also have it send weekly on Fridays, Sundays, Wednesdays, whenever you want these reports to come. There's options for all of that, right? Or every X days, X equals. So if you wanted every bi-monthly, you could say every 15 days. All pretty straightforward, pretty simple to use. Again, we're going to have it send monthly on the first, and then the start date. So if you didn't want this to start for a couple months, you'd go ahead and set that. And yeah, it should be good to go. It's pretty straightforward. We try to make these tools as simple as possible. And then we are going to save. Okay, so that activates the report right away. If you want to see what scheduled email reports that you do have, you'll see there's this little option up here at the right. When again you're in the magnifying glass within mortgages, this also works within partnership records too. So you can use this to see, new partner leads you've got, or any kind of partner information you can search. Again, there are a ton of different search features that we have here that you can use to pull information, pull records for basically anything you can imagine. All right, so we're going to go into the scheduled email reports, and then we will see here the list of scheduled reports that we have going out. It'll have who created it, who it's sending to, the name that we set for it. So you can see ours is here, leads in the last 30 days. You can click on this to get a preview of what the report is going to look like. So you'll see here, again, and this will be basically what your email looks like when it sends out to you as well. You can click on this button to get a more in-depth review of BNTouch. This will just re-pull up the search inside of your CRM. It'll give all their names, how you rated them, and then some quick general information on the leads. And again, it'll show you 20 of whatever, and then you can click the button here at the bottom to see the full search within BNTouch. All right. Pretty straightforward, cool stuff. It'll say when it's reoccurring, right? Monthly on the 15th at 10 a.m. The added date, oh, sorry, this is the description is what is actually being filtered into your search. This is going to be, records that are added in the last 30 days, when it was created, it was a manual creation, when it's sent, it hasn't sent yet because it's not the first of the month, and then the next send is available right here, status active, so we can, pause these, right? It'll say pause, we can unactivate it again, we can go in here and preview it, edit it, and delete it. So if we wanted to edit it, let's say we wanted to make this come more frequently, monthly on the 15th. We wanted to change it to a weekly report that comes every Monday, right? We could save that, and then it'll see right there, weekly on Mondays, it'll send that report, right? So when it comes to your email, you'll get a report that looks something like this. It'll have your logo up here, and just sort of like we saw in the preview, proceed to CRM, it'll show all the records, right? So really cool feature. So get into your search feature if you haven't used it and play around in here, see all the different things you can search for. There's tons of cool reports you can pull. And then again, we're going to go to Save As. You can download a report instantly or set it up with the Scheduled Email Report tab. Click on that and you can set up a reoccurring report that'll send to your email whenever you'd like for any information you'd like. A lot of you guys have asked for this, so I hope you enjoy. Let us know what you think of it. If there's anything else you want to see added to this feature, we're always listening to you guys. We always want to provide you with the perfect CRM for you. So I hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. I will see you on the next walkthrough.